Monimoto's mission is to help protect motorcycles, scooters and other mobile assets from getting stolen. To do this, we created a smart and wireless alarm and GPS tracker. It runs on the batteries, and the batteries last for about a year. Because of that, motorcycle device is very easy to install and use. Monimoto's story begins in 2013. That's when the first drafts were made, and since 2017 we've been growing organically by 100% year on year. Our core markets are in Europe for now, and it's UK, Greece, Italy, France and other markets. And this year we received a €300,000 grant from European Union to continue developing our technologies and product. Our goal is to establish ourselves well in motorcycle niche and then move to other market segments such as expensive lawnmowers, other power sports items and so on. At this moment, we are scaling up our business in motorcycle niche in North America, and this is where you can help. We invite you to take a look at our campaign page to check our Monimoto story and get to know it better. Join us at this exciting journey and become one of Monimoto investors.